Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to use the Windows Firewall to block the inbound and outbound connections. So first of all, I'm just going to go into the firewall options. So here you can see I have my Windows Firewall switched on, and here you can see the inbound and outbound connections and the connection rules which you have implemented. And here is the monitoring status and the connection security rules and then the security associations. So first of all, I will show you how to create a new rule. So I'll just select new rule. So now I'm just going to show you how to use a program for blocking the inbound connections. So I'm just going to select program and just select next. And here you need to give you the program path. So go into the C drive, program files, and here I will select C cleaner. Select it, just select open and just select next, and I'm just going to use block the connection. Next, here if you are having a domain system, that is if your system was connected to a corporate network, then you can enable this option, and if you are using a private network or public network, you can use these two options. So I'm just going to select next, and here I'm just going to name as test for C cleaner. Select finish. Here you can see the action is blocked and the rule was enabled, and it was enabled for all the profile, and it was for a C cleaner. And likewise you can also create for outbound connections also. This is an inbound connection, that is a connection, that is a network which is trying to communicate from the outside network to our system network. And this is whenever a software or program tries to communicate to the outside network, you need to create or enable the rules with the help of this option. And I'll just show you how to create a new rule for blocking a port. Just select port and just select next, and you need to specify the port. I'm just going to select UDP, and here I'm blocking 80 and selecting next. I'm just going to block the connection. Next, I'm just going to enable the option, both these three options. Select next, block port 80. Finish. Here you can see it was blocked. It was enabled for all the profile, and the rule was enabled, and the action is condition is a block, and program is any. So let's test this. The port number 80 belongs to the HTTP. So since I have blocked the HTTP, no other website will try to access the outside network. That is, you can't access the web pages. Google, Yahoo, no other pages will be accessed. You see, it was just but I can show you my network, that is I can connect, that is I can ping to the Google server. But since I have blocked this, it was not communicating, the browser was not communicating. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to disable this rule. So I have disabled the rule. Now I'm just going to open the Google Chrome. You see, it is opening. So this is how you can block the ports, and I'll just delete this rule because it will affect my network. So, and now I'm just going to create a new rule for predefined services which is available by default in the Windows. So here you can see a lot of services which is available in this Windows, like Wi-Fi direct, remote assistance, routing and remote access, homebrew file and printer sharing, core networking, branch cache. So much options are available. Now I'm just going to select media player. I'm just going to select next. So here you can see can block these options which is by default, which is given in the rules, that is a predefined rules. So I'm just going to select all those things and just going to block the connection, select finish. Here you can see the media player will never communicate to the outside network, whether it is a corporate network or whether it is a internet which you are using. So this is how you will use the inbound and outbound connections, by which you can block your or secure your internet in your system. So I will explain this connection security rules in my next video, and thank you for watching this video.